I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the audio and logistics ready. You need final masters in WAV or AIF and clean stems if required. Once done, pick a distributor that fits your release goals and budget. Enter accurate metadata, track title, primary artist, contributors, and SRC, because that's how streaming platforms index and pay you. Also prepare cover art at 3000 by 3000 pixels. If you have collaborators, confirm splits and rights now so uploads aren't delayed. Now log into your chosen distributor and create the release package. Choose single or album, upload master files, and attach the cover art. Make sure files match distributor specs. Then set the release date and territories and enable pre-save or pre-order if you want marketing lead time. Enter SRC and UPC codes, songwriter credits, and lyrics where applicable so royalties route correctly. Double-check export settings and delivery windows. Distributors need up to several weeks to push to Spotify. Finish by approving the distributor's delivery and noting the confirmation timeline. Most services show a delivery status page. Once Spotify accepts the release, claim or update your Spotify for artist's profile to manage bio, playlists, and Canvas visuals. Promote the release with pre-save links and pitch to Spotify editors via the For Artists submission tool at least 1 week before release. If something goes wrong, check for metadata mismatches, incorrect file encodings, or missing SRC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.